Hi everyone, hope you've had a great week. It has been a busy week for me. It's Friday night here in Hobart. It's quite cold. I've just lit the fire and I'm sitting down and doing a little bit of work online to upload some books to KDP and get another few jobs done. I've just uploaded a new colouring in book, and I know that I promised you that we do a little bit of an update as the months went by, just so that you can see what's happening in terms of amounts earned. So this is an honest look. So let's just jump across. I'll show you that now. So last month it was April. Last month, out of my 75 books that I have listed, I made Australian $5.37. I sold 2 books. One was a journal called Photo a Day, and the other one was a colouring in book. If I go back to this month, so far, 0, 0, zip, zip. So I'm going to try a marketing strategy this month. I'm going to start putting my books onto Pinterest, and I'm going to monitor to see how they go on Pinterest, and I'm also going to use TikTok. I've just opened up a TikTok account. So with Pinterest and TikTok, let's see if that will drive some traffic through to my Amazon store, and let's have a look and see if it will make an impact on these approximate royalties. So that is my plan for this month, and I will show you how I go about doing that, and we will check back here again at the end of May and see how that has actually panned out. If I come up here to lifetime, my lifetime royalties have been $72.65 Australian. And again, guest booked, travel journals, colouring in books. So it's gone back down again for May. Let's see if we can get this bar graph moving up, shall we? And I must say that this year, so in the last 12 months, was the video that I showed you. In the last 12 months, I made an error. I said $31.55. It was actually $34.47 across the last year. Mind you, that has included the ones that just sold here in April. So yeah, I was very, very close. So I apologize if I've misled anyone, but $34.47 has been what I have earned in this last year. If I go all time, so outside of this year to the date when I actually started, do lifetime. My lifetime from February 15th to 2023 to May 2024 has been $72.65. So again, this is the month that we want to focus on. So come along for my little bit of a crack at seeing how I go at getting some marketing tracking back into the site. The other thing that I will also have a little bit of a focus on is developing some A+ content. So if you're interested in all of those things, make sure you subscribe. I'm a bit sporadic in the way that I'm posting. I try and put it in some sort of order, but so that you don't miss anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Right, so as you can see, only a small amount of sales last month. So I'm going to try something a little bit different for the month of May, because it's May right now. And my plan is I'm going to see if I can use Pinterest and possibly even TikTok. Even though I've not had a TikTok account, I'm going to open one up, and I'm just going to see if I make some videos and some pins, whether or not that will drive any traffic through to my KDP books and amount in any sales. So this is a bit of an experiment for this month to see how we go. If following my journey through KDP and the processes that I take is something you're interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I thank you for sticking around and watching the video, and I will catch you in the next one.